Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today hubby and I will be showing you guys how to make a Chinese roast duck. Here I've prepared a duck weighing 2.8 kilos, 30 grams of ginger cut into chunks, 7 cloves of garlic smashed up, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, all mixed up together, 6 to 7 numbers of star anise. This seasoning are for the interior of the duck. Now let's get started. Now we're gonna rub the seasoning inside the duck.
About 3 spoons, 3 teaspoons, 3 tablespoons. Rub it around the duck. Garlic.
Star anise.
That's it.
Garlic and ginger.
Garlic and ginger. And also okay.
When we've put all the seasoning and the ginger and garlic and star anise inside, we have to stitch up the bottom part.
Be careful with your fingers. Sometimes it's too much there, the duck. You do this. This will help. This. Okay? Are you okay? First of all, there's a bone here. Stick it into the bone. There you go.
Okay, that's it.
And then
Nice and concealed.
this side as well. Yes, and then give it a good shake. Okay.
And we're done.
See?
Now we are preparing the bath for the duck, which consists of 1.5 liter of water, 3 tablespoons of Maltose, once the Maltose is in, we shall add the 70 ml of Chinese red vinegar. Give it a good stir. Once the mixture is boiling, it's time to bath the duck. When we are bathing the duck, make sure it's still boiling. The purpose of doing this is to give the duck a nice glaze all over when it's finished roasted. Once it's bathed thoroughly, we shall remove the duck onto a tray. Once the duck is set on a tray, we have to leave it to dry for 4 hours. If it's possible, you can hang the duck. Otherwise, it's still okay to leave it on the tray to dry. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so our duck is ready to be roasted in the preheated oven at 190 degrees for 1 hour. (190 degrees) for 1 hour. After half an hour, Turn the duck around so it's roasted evenly. Wow! Look at our duck! After an hour's roasting, our duck is finally ready. Whoa! Look at the color. That beautiful glaze around the duck. Mmm. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Now we shall leave it for about half an hour for it to rest before serving. Look at that, evenly glazed on the duck. It's gorgeous, isn't it? The fragrance and the aroma. Okay guys, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Lovely.